Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator on a Jeep Compass. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including a 13mm socket, a 15mm wrench, and a serpentine belt tool. Finally, safely lift your vehicle and secure it on jack stands, ensuring a stable working environment for the next steps. Now, let's get that old alternator out. Begin by using your serpentine belt tool to release tension, then carefully remove the belt from the pulley. Next, disconnect the main power wire and any other electrical connectors attached to the alternator. Finally, unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding the alternator in place and carefully maneuver it out of the engine bay. With the old unit out, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into its mounting bracket. Reinstall and tighten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts to factory specifications. Next, reconnect all electrical connections, ensuring they are snug and secure. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto all pulleys using your tensioner tool to ensure proper tension. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal to your vehicle's battery. Start the engine and observe your dashboard for any warning lights. Use a multimeter to confirm the charging system is producing between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. Listen for any unusual sounds and visually inspect the serpentine belt to ensure it is properly aligned and running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.